All right, guys, what's up? Happy Thursday, February 13th, 2025. Had another nice trade I want to share with you guys. We'll look at my charts in just a moment. You can see on these three XFAs I've been working on, I hit about a $750 winner on each one of those. I copy traded those three. Only one contract, made 37 points in profit. And you can see, remember, I started these accounts, they had a little over, I want to say 6 grand each, something like that. I've already taken a lot of payouts on these accounts too. So these are pretty old accounts. And now I've built them back up again. You can see collectively we got about 16 grand in those two, plus another 9 grand there. So looking at about 25,000, just over 25,000 in profit, about $25,500 in profit. And I need one more trading day of $200 or more to trigger a payout on those accounts. And I will hopefully get that tomorrow, put in the payout request Friday night for $5,000 on each account. So that'll be $15,000 gross. Topstep takes 10%. So that leaves me with 13,500. Don't want to count my chickens before they hatch, but hopefully we'll get to that payout tomorrow night. And if I do, I will of course share it with you guys. But let's go ahead and look at the setup because I want to show you guys again how I put up consistent results and basically what I look for coming into each day. So what you can see, we're looking at the NASDAQ right here, right? So again, you guys know that I always go into the day with my daily, weekly, monthly chart. I got the quarterly, the yearly, I use all these charts, but what's really important is what I think is going to happen, for the upcoming day. So for here, that was yesterday's move. That was the close. I mean, you can see all the support here, all the support there. So yeah, today I thought, heading in anywhere into the dot zone here, I thought would be really strong support. I always put support in blue. So I thought there'd be support down here somewhere. And my bias was to the long side for today, right? So when I came into the day, what I noticed is that, we were grinding higher here. You can see this trend is just grinding higher. You can clearly see all the support in here, right? And so then I use my lower time period and I just happened to sit down at the computer about 10 minutes after the open. And when I did that, my charts were right at this point here for the lower time period, right? So when I saw this bar, let's just back up a little bit. So here you can see there's a flush about 5 minutes after the open, big flush, big aggressive selling, right? Now, after that flush, what happens? You can see the buyers come in, you start to stabilize here, right? For me, I'm getting a close above my true average right here. That's very telling, but I'm not ready to just go in right now, right? So I'm watching this. And when I get to the computer, I see all this. This bar is in the process of forming, right? So when this bar is forming, I waited for a little bit of a pullback right down into here. I want to say pretty much 21,865, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so I got long here on this particular trade. I know that this is my key support level here, right? So if that starts to break down, I really don't want to be in this trade anymore, right? So went long the three accounts right in here. And then we had this nice push up. And like I said, I got about 37 points. So whatever. So yeah, I remember my target was right at like 901 or 902, which is, right there. So right there. So I got long here and my target was right near that high. Again, could have held it more. But look, I was going for 750 bucks on each account. It hit my profit target. I'm done. I don't even look at this market and go, oh my gosh, woulda, coulda, shoulda, should have held it longer. I don't play any of those mental games with myself because you never really know what's going to happen. Follow your plan. Once you hit your profit target, just be happy and be done for the day. So for me, that's another, today was 22, a little more than 2,200 bucks again on these accounts. And I'm very happy with that, right? So I'm going to spend the rest of my day chilling out. I'm going to maybe go for a run, go to the country club, hang out by the pool, and just have a good time because I did my work. I came in focused, I made my money, and I'm done. And in about 10 days, I will be moving to the beach. So when I'm done, I can go surfing every day, which is going to be sweet. I can't wait for that, guys. It's going to be so awesome. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. Got to wait for the trades to come to you. less is definitely more. You know, so many people are just over trading. I mean, look, I took this one trade, that's it. And that's all you need. I was kind of debating when I saw this pullback here because it did the same thing. Just boom, big selling. We were right at the daily point of control at that point, still grinding higher. I was like, yeah, I could definitely go long there and make like an extra $700 again, but I didn't because I was kind of happy with what I got. And once I get my winning trade, I'm usually done for the day. Um, but you can see if you just wait for the market to come to you, you get really good opportunities. So hope this helps you guys. I'll keep sharing updates with you. We will live stream when I get back to the beach and get my energy. I get so much energy when I'm like in the salt water and the sun and I'm surfing. Like here, I'm in the middle of the city. I don't know. I'm not a city guy, so it's going to be sweet when we get to the beach. All right, you guys take care. Have a good day. If you got any questions or comments or whatever, just post them below and I'll keep trying to help you out as much as I can. At some point when we start live streaming, you know, that's when I'll set up the Discord and all that, and we can get kind of an active, you know, chat going. So we can chat a little bit during the day. Sometimes I can tell you guys what I'm seeing in real time, even when I'm not live streaming. But I will live stream quite a bit as I get settled down by the beach. Okay, see you guys. Cheers.